Hello guys, welcome to another video on my 2014 ZR7000 snowmobile. As you know, if you watched the previous videos about it, I haven't bought it new. Actually, I bought it last spring, so I did not ride it yet. Couple of laps in the lawn here. We have 10 acres, so I can kind of test everything before going out on the trail, but there's not enough snow at the moment outside to do that. So it's time to testing the machine and to fix whatever need to be fixed. If you saw previous videos, you know that I've checked all the bearings. I replaced a couple of idler wheel under the sled, as well as I upgrade for a four-wheel rear axle, if I can say it like that. Let me show you, because on these sleds there's only 3 or 2 wheels in the middle, and I updated for a four-wheel axle, a rear axle, and I replaced all the bad idler wheels as well as a couple of bearings. I also replaced the slides, and I need to adjust my track because it's a little too tight. Now it's sitting on the dolly, that's why it's stick to it, but it's too tight anyway. But the video today will be about replacing the belt, because in some other model you need a special tool and you have kind of a hole on the side of your secondary pulley, so you just put your special tool in the hole, you screw it, the pulley open, and you can remove the belt. But on this model, which again is a 2014, and I believe the 2015 is also like that, but I'm not sure. I will verify this for you, and I will come back to you with an answer or an accurate information regarding which model are made like that. But this one is like that. You don't have a hole, so you wonder where the hell do I put the special tool to open that pulley? The answer is you don't need special tool for this to remove the belt, so I will show you right now. First, you need a 10mm box or wrench to remove that bolt, so you can, instead of talking, I will just show you. It will be easier to understand. So you take your wrench and you remove that bolt. Copyright, c'est la musique en arrière. So to remove that spacer or stopper, you just take the tip of your bolt and you pry it out like that. So to open the belt now, you need to remove the washer on your bolt, and you put your spacer on your opposite direction, and you need to find the thread at the tip of your bolt so it engage in the same hole where you just remove it. If you don't remove the washers, you will not have enough thread on your bolt to engage in the thread in the shaft, so you'll be damaging the tip of your bolt. So it's important to remove the washer before trying this. So after it's engaged, you can go back with your wrench here and tie it up. I will put you a little closer. So you can see it open, as you will see here. Belt is dropping in the pulley, so you don't need a special tool to remove the belt on this machine. There you go. Oh, back now. Now you just take your belt off the pulley. just like that. So you can install your new belt and unscrew the bolt. It will obviously not close fully because your belt will be sitting in the bottom. But let's install the new belt. When you're installing a new belt, you need to make sure you're installing it the right way. You need to follow the arrow. If you don't have any arrow, usually if you can read the belt number when the belt is installed in the machines, mean it's on the right way. You put it back in your main clutch and you put back your new belt in your secondary. After that, you loose your 10mm bolt. You put back your spacer in the right position. Don't forget to put your washer back on the bolt. Then you work your belt on top of the pulley so it can go back to its original position or starting position. So after that, you torque your bolt the right torque that you should find in your owner manual, and this is it, your new belt is installed. So it's even easier and cheaper to do it on this model since you don't need a special tool. You just need a 10mm box and that's all. The job is done. You can do that on the side of the trail. It's very easy, it's very fast to do. So you won't stay struggling on the side of the trail because you can't replace your belt. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.